Cacao is grown without the use of pesticides and chemical fertilizers. It is hand-picked and selected, which yields the perfect balance of flavor and the highest quality beans available on the market today. My name is Tony Stone. I'm the CEO of Oro Maya. I am from Honduras, and Oro Maya exclusively sources and manufactures chocolate couverture and chocolate products in the jungles of Honduras. One of the things that makes Oro Maya so special is the relationship that we have with our farmers. We pick up the beans from them at their farm in our truck, and we know each of them by name. We know their families, we see their kids grow up. Additionally, we provide them technical support so they can grow better, higher quality beans.